I'm going to put this man's head on this cloud that looks like a dog or a dinosaur. I'm going to put that man's head on the head on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually blow this up to 300%, and that shows right up here in the top, 300%. Use that quite often for using the pen tool. I'm in the pen tool now, and it shows up with the tip of a pen, but if I click on the caps lock key, it changes to a crosshair or a bullseye. For me, it's easier to see. So I'm actually going to start, well, I'm going to start down here. I'm going to leave a little bit of the shirt on this image. Now, let me go back. I'm going to go back in history. I'm going to go back to unsharp masking, which I just did. But I'm in the pen tool. I'm going to left click. It puts a spot there. I move down. I'm going to left click and hold down. Then I'm going to drag down and pull the bottom over to the right a little bit. And you can see that curved turn. The pen tool is just a matter of just practice, practice, practice. And the beauty with this tool is, I will show you when I get done, but you can put as much or as little feather on it as you want. This takes a while to do versus the lasso tool is kind of a quicker masking tool. But this doesn't have to be real accurate here because I'm going to see what it looks like in that picture, and then I'm going to move it up. But I'm just left click and drag to left, release. Left click, drag to left, release. Left click, hold down, release. Left click, right there. Right there. No, it's just practice, practice, practice. This has been doing this for years, so don't be discouraged if you're just starting out. It's not an easy tool to get used to, but it's incredibly handy. And you'll kind of just learn what you need to do. Okay, on the hair, I'm not going to go real close. I'm going to go up and around, and I'm going to take that out with the eraser tool. And then I go back to the original spot and click right there. Now I'm going to click on the path tab here. It says work path. I'm going to double click on that. Name path. I'm just going to name it path 1. Click. Now with that's highlighted, I'm going to go over here and click on make selection. Right now it has a feather radius of 0. I want to go to 1, and I want to have analyzed checked and new selection, and click OK. So now that has been selected. I'm going to do Control C, which will copy it. Click on this other image, press and hold down Control and push V. There the images. I'm going to go up to the Move tool, slide that up. Now I'm going to go into Edit, Transform, Scale. I'm going to hold down, press and hold down the Shift key. Go down this lower left and a left click and drag and blow that up. Then double click right in the middle there. Okay, now I'm going to go to Edit, Transform. Oh, come on, Rotate. Just click out here where the arrow's pointing to the left and up. Left click and hold. And twist that around. Now I'm going to double click there to apply it. Now I'm going to go into Edit, Transform, Flip horizontally. I'm going to go into Edit, Transform, Rotate, left click and drag. Oh, that looks pretty good. Make it a little bit better. Bigger. Edit, Transform, Scale. Press and hold down the Shift key. left key on the mouse, I'm going to drag that up, double click there to apply it. Okay, now I'm going to go to the magnifier, the plus, I'm going to enlarge this. I'm going to go into the eraser tool. There's a brush of 9, that's too small, I'm going to go to 27. Now, pushing on the left side of the mouse, holding it down, and then just moving this brush back and forth. I'm going to the magnifier, blow that up a bit. Back to the eraser tool. Left click, hold, and drag over and paint this, erase this out. You don't, yeah, it's really touchy. You don't want to leave any of that dark background, but you don't want to go too much into the hair either. I kind of take that halo out. Just work your way down around here. Now I've gone all the way around the hair and then around the neck too. Remove the shirt, those things. Zoom out a bit. I'm going to go back into Edit, Transform, Scale. Hold down the Shift key and left click with the mouse. That a little bit bigger. I'll go into the Move tool. Left click and drag. It's not too bad. It's not perfect, but you get the idea. But there you go. How to use the pen tool, and it's, you know, something small like this is not that big a deal. But if you're working on a really big image and you don't know if you need to apply a different feather than just one set thing, like you only have the option with lasso tool. The pen tool is the way to go, and you can save it. You can do a lot of stuff with it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.